Well, I think, interestingly, hyperspecialization's time has come as a result of the talent mismatch. When you think about the talent mismatch in relation to what employers are looking for, employers have defined work much more specialized and therefore are looking for people with specialization. So and another interesting fact about hyperspecialization, it isn't about forcing people into one widget-like kind of job. It's about becoming consciously specialized in different areas. And when you have a collection of those specializations, then you can become a generalist that offers a much higher level of skill to an organization. What's enabling the way work can be constructed differently is technology, and it's specifically collaborative technology. Leveraging technology that allows you to access people on the other side of the world is critically important. So when you can place work, for example, there's about 1,000 online marketplaces where you can place work that it can be done by somebody on the other side of the world, where it matters less about who does the work and more about the quality of the work that gets done. The skills requirement has changed dramatically in the manufacturing industry. If you think back to, 50 years ago, what the manufacturing industry was all about, siloing work so that it could be, created and produced faster and more productively, which manufacturing still is all about productivity, but it's now a very different environment. Instead of people, independently working side by side, maybe even doing the same job, it's all about people coming together collaboratively, understanding technology, directing the flow together. You'll see management and workers working side by side, which was never the kind of environment that one would traditionally have thought about. I think where employers are stuck is in the perception of what I call the experience needed syndrome. That somebody must have a specific amount of years before they are labeled as competent in an organization. We need someone with 5 years. We need someone with 7 years of experience. Whereas today, many people coming into the workforce, in particular young people, have a lot more experience in the world because of technology, because of their the ability to communicate and to understand what's going on in the world. The manufacturing industry is really an interesting industry because most people still think of it as the legacy manufacturing industry, people all working on a line, whereas it's an industry where technology is incredibly pervasive and changing that industry. And the challenge is that you don't see many young people aspiring to go into the manufacturing industry where there's tremendous opportunity. So when you think about the impact of technology and big data on manufacturing, it requires people to be more collaborative, more technically savvy, and those skills in the market are very highly prized by all industries. So all of a sudden, manufacturing is fighting basically a double whammy. They're trying to attract people in an industry where they're fighting an old legacy reputation. And what has to happen is for, more and more young people to understand how much that industry is changing. Another way that you can appeal to this young generation, if you're in the manufacturing industry, is to really appeal to their sense of social responsibility. This is a generation that cares deeply, has had great visibility to the challenges in the world. Make sure that your organization is absolutely transparent about your mission, what you stand for, and reach out into the community. And I think you'll be able to attract a lot more young people that way.